We will now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Coordinate Geometry. The problem is related to the concepts of a circle. This question has appeared in the Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 27th June 2022 in the second shift. The given question is, let a circle C of radius 5 lie below the x-axis. The line L1 given by 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 passes through the center capital P of the circle C and intersects the line L2 given by 3x minus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0 at Q. The line L2 touches C at the point Q. Then the distance of the point P from the line 5x minus 12y plus 51 is equal to 0 is. We have a circle C of radius 5 and it is given that this circle C lies below the x-axis. We are given a line L1 and it passes through the center capital P of the circle C, and L1 intersects the line L2 at Q, and L2 touches C at the point Q. Then required to find the distance of the point P, that is the center of the circle C, from another line 5x minus 12y plus 51 is equal to 0. That is the given question to us. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have a circle C of radius 5 that lies below the x-axis with the center at P. That is the circle C with the center at P and radius 5. We are given the line L2 given by 3x minus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0 touches C at the point Q. There is a line L2 that touches the circle C at the point Q. It is further given that the line L1 given by 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 passes through P and intersects the line L2 at Q. We have a line L1 passes through center P and intersects L2 at Q. That means L2 is a tangent to the circle C at Q, and L1 is a line passing through P intersects L2 at Q. That means L1 and L2 are perpendicular to each other. Agreed. These are some of the observations what we have made. First of all, we find what are the coordinates of Q. So solving, and L1 and L2 are intersecting at this point Q. So take these two equations, L1 equation and L2 equation, and solve for x and y. We get the coordinates of Q. So solving the above two equations, we get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the coordinates of Q we have obtained, and that is 1 comma minus 2. So what is our problem? Our problem is we have to find the coordinates of the center P of the circle C. Then if you get that one, then its a distance from this line 5x minus 12y plus 51 is equal to 0 can be found very easily. So our target is to find the coordinates of P. That we will do in the next slide. So Q the coordinates of q have written here 1 comma minus 2. We move to the next slide, and our concern is to find the distance of P from this line. So that is what we have done so far, and we have Q, the coordinates of Q are given by 1 comma minus 2. Let the coordinates of the center P be x comma y. So we want to find the values of x and y. Note that y will be minus 1/3 of 4x plus 2. Minus 1/3 multiplied by 4x plus 2. Why? Because P lies on L1. The equation of the L1 is 4x plus 3y plus 2. And when you solve for y, we will get this one. And x comma y are the coordinates of the point P. Therefore, the y coordinate must be this one. Agreed. Now, take this PQ length. PQ is what? The radius, that is 5. So now, PQ is equal to radius is equal to 5. Squaring on both sides, PQ square is equal to 25. The PQ square, the distance formula you use, because the coordinates of P are x comma y, the coordinates of Q are 1 comma minus 2. Use the square of the distance formula. So that will be x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square, that is the square of the distance of PQ, that is equal to 25. Now expand this, simplify. So if you simplify x minus 1 whole square plus, for y we write down minus 1 by 3 into 4x plus 2 whole square is equal to 25. We simplify in the bracket, and we get x minus 1 whole square plus 16 by 9 into x minus 1 whole square is equal to 25. When you add, it will be 25 by 9 into x minus 1 whole square is equal to 25. Cancel 25 on both sides, you will get x minus 1 whole square is equal to 9. So taking the square root, we get x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 3. And this will imply x is equal to 4. When it is plus 3, it is 4. When it is minus 3, it is minus 2. So x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 2. So if x is equal to 4, what is the ordinate? So the ordinate y is, if x is equal to 4, then y is equal to minus 1/3 4x plus 2. In that x is equal to 4, you substitute, simplify, you will get minus 6. And if x is equal to minus 2, then y will be, and put it in the value of y. For x is equal to minus 2, you will get 2. So the coordinates of P are, now P is equal to, the coordinate is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 6. Why we have taken 4 comma minus 6 only? Why not minus 2 comma 2? The reason is that you are given that the circle C lies below the x-axis. Therefore, the y coordinates must be negative. Therefore, y must be minus 6. What y cannot be taken as 2. And P is equal to, the coordinates of P are 4 comma minus 6, because the circle C lies below the x-axis. Now we got the coordinates of P, and the line, we are given a line 5x minus 12y plus 51 is equal to 0. The distance formula, the distance of P from the line can be found. That is the perpendicular distance formula we use and find the answer. Agreed. So to find the distance P from this line, 5x minus 12y plus 51 is equal to 0. And we have P is with the coordinates 4 comma minus 6, and use the perpendicular distance formula. Then that will be equal to modulus of 5 into 4 minus 12 into minus 6 plus 51 by under the square root of 5 square plus minus 12 whole square. And when you simplify, you will get mod of 20 plus 72 plus 51 by 13. Agreed. When you further simplify, you will get 143 by 13. When you cancel, the common factor 13, both in the numerator and denominator, we will get the 11. Thus, the distance of the point P, that is the center of the circle C, from the line, a third line, 5x minus 12y plus 51 is equal to 0, is 11. So that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem, which is related to the concepts of the circle from the coordinate geometry. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.